Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to talk about comments section in WordPress. So in a post you may see people commenting about their thought on that particular topic. So how do you show the comments in your WordPress theme? So basically what you have to do, you have to have a file named comments.php in your WordPress theme. So let's search for comments.php template WordPress. And if you search this in Google, you will find this site. This is the developer handbook by WordPress. So if you click this one, you will see a comment template. So basically, if you write these things in your comments.php file, then you should not get an error, and the comments should be there in front of your user. So this will only get the approved comments, so not every comments will be shown. So you can see the status is equal to approved, and here it is saying that it has run a query, and it will gather all the comments, and it will keep them in comments, and it has made a comment loop. So for all the comments it will show as comment, and it will just deliver those comments in front of your website visitors. So yeah, so this is very basic stuff, and if you just copy this line of codes in your comments.php file, then your then it's just a start. You definitely need to style the comment as well, so you can check these codes as well. It has more explanation. So if you have comment pagination, what you will do, yeah, so more stuff here for your better understanding. So for a moment, just keep in mind that if you ever need to handle comment template, this is a guideline that you can follow, but we will get more into that later. We don't even know what query is, so uh, there are a lot of stuff to talk about as well. So for the very basic understanding, just know this. For comments, you need to have the comments.php file, and you need to have some sort of codes like this in your comments.php file. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, everyone, take care.